Hey, so I just wanted to demonstrate a personal project here. I basically made an Amazon clone. I ended up using Angular in the front end, .NET in the back end, SQL Server. I also used Kubernetes to kind of organize the microservices. Um, and I also used RabbitMQ as a message queue to kind of uh, do event-driven architecture on the microservices. I did this project just to kind of learn some new things in Angular and learn about Kubernetes, learn about message queues, just kind of put everything together in a full stack project. So I can kind of demo this app. It's fairly basic. So as you can see, we have 0 items in the cart. Let's say I want to add some things in the cart. So let's say I want to add 1 watch. So we add that, and now we have 1 item in the cart. And let's say we want a phone. And so there's only 1 left in stock, so let's add 1. So now we have 2 things in the cart. And let's say we need a table, so let's do 5 tables. So the total is 7 items in the cart. And so it kind of shows all the quantities here in the shopping cart. And then we can also change the quantities here as well. So 1, 1, and 2 is 4 total. So again, it updates the cart. And then we can proceed. And here it basically adds everything up again, and it shows tax and fees. So we place the order, and there is everything, and like estimated arrive date. And then if we also go back to, let's say, the phone, before there's only 1 and now there's temporary out of stock. So it kind of updates everything, and now that we place the order, there are 0 items in our cart. So that's the app on the front end. I can briefly show the back end, I guess. So this is essentially the front end in Angular. So I basically have like pages, services, some shared components, routing, also have store, which I'll expand on some of these things in future videos. And then I also have my order service, and so I basically have my front end here, and then we have the inventory service, the order service, and the K8s, the Kubernetes YAML files, configurations. And so I can briefly show the Kubernetes clusters or Kubernetes pods. So you can kind of see you have like Ingress as a load balancer, RabbitMQ, and I'll get into these more in the future. But yeah, that's basically my project. Thanks for listening.